everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a get ready with me Halloween edition. Let's see if you can guess what my costume is based on the makeup I will be using. I needed green eyeshadow, hint number one. So I went over to the 99-cent store to look through their makeup displays. I actually already purchased some makeup earlier in the month and I mentioned how good the quality was and how much I really enjoyed it. So I went back looking for this specific eyeshadow and they did not have any in their display. So I went over to the regular makeup aisle to see if there was any there. I did pick up a few brushes and I found what I was looking for. This one's like kind of blue green, but it'll work. So here I am just doing my makeup. I am not a professional, so it's just a DIY version of this makeup. I need to darken up my eyebrows a little bit, and then I'm using this Jumbo NYX pencil as a base. I'm pretty much just using the products I already have, like my everyday makeup foundation, blush, concealer, everything, my regular eyeshadow that I use. I just need to darken up, kind of like a smoky eye. I'm actually not very good at smoky eyes, but I mean, it's Halloween makeup, so it doesn't have to be perfect. You don't need to get a perfectly blended smoky eye. It just has to create that illusion. I mean, hint number two, I am based on a cartoon character, so cartoons aren't perfect, you know. It's just fun Halloween makeup. I'm done with the eyeshadow. I did add a little bit of glitter. You can't really tell on camera. And I'm just prepping my lashes for falsie. So I'm adding lots of mascara. And I'll probably do my eyeliner off camera. This character has a bold red lip. So I'm using my MAC Selena red liquid lipstick. I don't wear this very often, but I actually love how bold this color is. Signature Selena red. These are the eyelashes. They're magnetic. And this is my costume. Did you guess who I was? I had so much fun at my cousin's 30th birthday party. It was a Halloween theme. She had this great bartender. Those tamarindo margaritas were amazing. And here is a small glimpse of the party. Everyone got really into it and there were so many great costumes. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and have enjoyed my Vlogtober series. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you tomorrow for the finale.